This is an official message from the Colorado Department of Agriculture. Unusual plant activity has been reported in your area. Plants are uprooting themselves and walking away. Remain in your homes and seek shelter indoors. Stay away from plants. If you see an uprooting, remain calm, vacate the area, and report the event to us at area code 555-736-6517. Do not interact with plants. I repeat, do not interact with plants. We will continue to update you with more information as it becomes available. This is an official message from the Colorado Department of Agriculture. All citizens are ordered to shelter in place immediately. The abnormal plant activity is now spreading and instances have been reported statewide. The plants are reported to be hostile to humans. Stay away from all plants. These include houseplants and ornamentals. Do not go outside unless necessary. Keep your doors and windows locked. If possible, destroy your plants using herbicide. State borders are now closed. Emergency services are limited. Please call 911 only during a severe emergency. Unrelated calls will be dismissed. This is an official message from the Colorado Department of Agriculture. We regret to inform you that the situation cannot be controlled. Missiles will be launched from Warren Air Force Base in 72 hours. The U.S. Army has cleared a path to the primary evacuation point at Denver International Airport, where evacuation flights are available. Bring only one bag of personal belongings, along with your ID. Food and water along with other toiletries will be available at the airport. Military convoys will be patrolling the Denver metropolitan area with audio and light projections, and they will escort you to the airport. Be prepared to defend yourself from the plants. This broadcast ends soon. 5 minutes after the end of this broadcast, sirens will begin to sound, marking the start of the evacuation. Remember to follow orders from the authorities. Broadcast ending.